It's your way. It's your
Hey, no. Get your hand out. We're going to start talking. Alright. Give me a second, everyone.
Where are you?
I think that's too far.
Clap, clap. Do all your good work. Count for.
Still going? Alright. This is Ice Gamer 1620. That's my channel. This is... Hey, Remy, quick. I told you not to touch. If you want help. You want help with the experiment, sit down. We're not quite ready yet.
I'll help.
He's very impatient, as you can see. Okay, leave it alone for 1 minute. I gotta get everything set up and see what it is. I'll try right here. As you can see this hopefully. Alright, we're gonna move this back a little bit, buddy. Come on. Hold this for Daddy. Just hold it. Okay, thank you, buddy.
Okay.
Alright, everyone. So we're going to do this mini volcano today. Welcome to the Remy's Playroom. We're going to start doing some YouTubes and stuff. This is Remy. And we'll do a lot more experiments and fun stuff on the way. But today he's kind of impatient. He really wants to do experiment with me. Hold. Chill.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll do game one. And you have only one.
Alright. We're missing an ingredient. There we go. Anyways. Remy.
and Jackie.
Yeah, it's Remy and Daddy. Volcanoes can go up to 1,700 to 1,200 Celsius when they push erupt. Is it 1,300 to 2,200 Fahrenheit? And rocks are light. Magma is lighter than rocks, so it's really interesting concept. Alright, but he wants to get going, so I'm not going to hold it up anymore. I could tell you a couple more things, but he's only 4 and he's impatient. Okay, right. We'll start doing it. No. One step at a time. I gotta explain. One step at a time. We'll explain as we go. You wanna hold that? Okay, you hold that thing. Alright, we got some water in here. First thing we're gonna do is add some food coloring.
Okay, what that?
You just watch, buddy.
Okay, give me.
You want to add the food coloring?
Yep.
Okay. Squirt it down. Squirt some in there. Okay, that's good, buddy. That's good. No more. Let's leave it alone. Okay. As you can see, we made it nice and red with food coloring.
Be red.
And all we're going to do is kind of shake. And does that look like a red enough for you? I think so too.
Yeah, I want to be white. I don't want to be blue.
Okay.
I want to get red.
Then we're going to add some dish soap. Want to add some dish soap with Daddy? Okay, that should be good. That's good.
I need one.
And now we're going to add some
that's my dog.
I'll let you add it. I'll get it, scoop out, and you add it. Help Daddy add it. We'll do 1, 2. Okay, that should be good, buddy.
Now we need water.
This is not water. Then we'll last step. So we use dish soap, food coloring. This is water was in here before. I just took a random guess how much. Added 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And then we'll add some vinegar. Oh, wait.
Daddy, open it and
You can help Daddy. How about that, baby?
Okay,
ready?
No, I want to hold it.
Okay, little. It's going to explode. Keep going. And that's it goes. It'll erupt as you have more, but we don't have any more, buddy. That's all we have until I go shopping. Isn't that really cool? Because you can see all the foam here. That's the eruption. Don't drink. Don't ever touch that. Ick. That's not to drink, buddy. Don't even touch it. Don't even touch it. As red, you can see where the liquid was.
Yeah.
I'll have to take this away, buddy, then.
Okay.
Then you leave it down.
Daddy,
Don't touch.
Daddy, two down.
Don't touch.
Daddy, two down right here. And
Don't
four
touch.
down.
Don't touch.
We'll add more sugar. We'll add more.
No, it's not gonna work anymore. We're out of vinegar. But as gas fills up from the rocks, if I can talk and him not quit, I'm gonna take this one.
I can't ride down over here.
The molten lava and the gas will rise up to find like vents in the earth's crust, and that's how it explodes from all the gas and
Let's
stuff.
do more, Daddy. More.
I wish we too. We'll do another different experiment tomorrow. We're going to
No,
do
let's
the
do
milk magic experiment.
I want
If you like my videos, well, we can do another one. We'll practice it tonight.
No, I want to do another one.
Okay, buddy. As he's getting hyped up, you see.
You can.
He has autism, sorry, but he'll get better as we go. This was the volcano. I couldn't make a paper volcano. Wait. I need it. And he's getting upset now. It's all good. I love my son and everything, but that's how he acts. Shh. Quiet, buddy. Anyways, as you can see, that's where the lava will be, and that would be all the gas. Do I have to take you out? Then shush. We're trying to do a YouTube video, buddy. Me and you both will be doing this, but you're acting up now. You didn't get enough sleep last night. Yeah, come give Daddy a hug. Over here. Over the bed. This is Remy's playroom. Oh, that's the show's called. Not quite yet. We'll do a horse ride in a couple minutes, okay? If you like the video, you need to be quiet for 1 second.
Daddy.
Okay, we'll practice the milk one. We're not going to do this one. But you got to hold on and be patient.
Yeah.
Okay? If you like the video, subscribe. Give me a like. Or give me some comments. What you like and how I improve this. This is our first actually YouTube video. He's acting up obviously. But yeah. Yes, Remy and Daddy. But till next time, tomorrow we'll do the milk experiment. The magic milk. So stay tuned and we'll get things going more and we'll stay off slowly and see how this goes. So please subscribe. Alright everyone, have a great night. It's really late here, that's why you see us in our pajamas. Alright, let me get this out.